The best pasta was definitely the boys. You did really well. And you know why you did well? Because you worked as a team, in harmony. We can do that, we can do yours. You guys haven't made enough ravioli for everybody, so now I'm gonna have to provide the food for tonight. Okay, everybody back. Kevin, please stay behind. Kevin, come here, man. Oh, so, what has gone wrong?
I couldn't hear myself think.
So, on this date tonight, what's your plan?
To put as much space between them as possible, so we can have a really long table.
I would not want to be in your shoes, I'm gonna be very honest with you. Your pasta was shit.
I know.
So I wish you the best of luck for the date. Make sure that the date goes better than your pasta, please.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Whoa, yes, get that.
Right.
Kevin,
Cream,
got
hello.
a minute?
Yeah.
I just want to show you this. How's it going?
Okay.
2 days ago, it was all about Justina. Yesterday, you found out a side of Justina that you didn't like.
Yeah.
What is today?
I'm getting to know Alison better. I mean, looks-wise, appearance-wise, fantastic.
Yeah, but appearance is not
I
everything.
know.
Appearance is
And
going
this
to go eventually.
Yeah, this is it. And then you're only left with everything else. And that's what I'm trying to get to know.
Okay, but what is easy for me to say?
You okay, hun?
No! Fuck!
I think I'm needed. What's up?
You disappeared, right? That was going to be overcooking, so I had to take the salmon out because it was going to end up dying.